U.S. government partners with Chainlink and Pyth Network to publish GDP data on Ethereum, Base, Avalanche, and other blockchains. Now, it was noted today that Chainlink is one of the official names that is actually noted on the U.S. government website, Pyth as well. Congratulations to Chainlink. As they say here, they're excited to announce that the U.S. Department of Commerce are now working together to bring the U.S. government macroeconomic data on chain. This is huge. Same thing for Pyth. Pyth came out and had a celebration as well because the Department of Commerce did post that they will be using Pyth as well. So very excited to see that. So congratulations to everyone. And we are seeing a massive uptick in crypto adoption, everything setting the stage for what we think is going to be a massive bull run. And we like to call this a super cycle. So we also seeing a ton of investments. We have JP Morgan investing 500 million into crypto AI. So this is something new. Numera AI, which is the crowdsourced hedge fund powered by AI model submissions, secured $500 million investment backing from JP Morgan. And this was just on the 26th of August. So this is built around open AI model. So they're investing in crypto AI projects. So there's been massive growth under Numera AI over the last 3 years. The company revealing it grew from managing $60 million to $450 million. It's huge. So the gap between AI and crypto is shrinking with each passing day, with interest flowing in both directions. So we have the legacy traditional companies now taking a liking, not just to crypto, but they're also taking a liking to AI crypto as well. So they're another major contributor. They are saying here, this is why purchasing the best AI crypto coins will allow both institutional and retail investors to directly benefit from innovation in the AI and crypto sector. But they're saying the biggest potential lies in early stage projects. So here they list a couple new AI projects. You have Deep Snitch AI, then you have BitSensor, you have Story, and then there's a ton others you can actually find if you go to CoinMarketCap and you can actually sort through the narrative that you're searching for, right? You can go through AI section. You can see there's a ton. BitSensor that we just spoke about is leading the way as it stands right now. You can go to trending as well. So there's a ton to look at and a ton of opportunities there. One thing we can look at here is where we are at with our technical analysis. Here we have Bitcoin hanging around 112,000, making new lows. So we actually did break, but then we bounced right above this major level of support. And we're seeing the same thing we saw again. So we are anticipating another pump. We're seeing another setup for divergence. You see here. And then if we look at the bottom on our stochastic, we see that we are forming a divergence setup again, which is ultimately signaling to us that there is a potential upside, significant upside based off of how the market is lining up. Going to XRP pulling back as well, almost the same way, right? Made a new high, now pulling back. People are freaking out over the pullback, right? But if we look on the lower time frame, you go to the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing an inverted head and shoulders on the lower time frame. So that is something to pay attention to because it's not coincidence. The neckline is aligned directly with our counter trend line. So we will be anticipating and looking for a break above our trend line. And this could be considered a counter trend line because the overall trend is bullish. So pay attention to this counter trend line. We are looking for a bounce or a break up around this level again. This will stay on the chart until further notice. So with all the news we have here, we have BlackRock overtaking exchanges in Bitcoin and Ethereum custody with ETFs reshaping the market. We have Chainlink, we have Pyth, very bullish sentiment across the board when it comes to adoption. And then we also see a ton of investment within the crypto space. So you have an opportunity here to take advantage. There's still time. There's still conversations. There's still education to be had as we continue to dive in, learn, and also grow within this crypto space. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.